Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically we're using Shopify for a while now and surprisingly your customers are landing on a 404 page not found error in your Shopify store. You could be losing sales. So in today's small tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this type of issues. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and go through your favorite browser and look for Shopify.com. Go all the way to the store. You should always check if the link is valid by going through your online store, look for pages to confirm the link. You should be able to see it here as well. This is the domain that you can customize later. You can also buy other domains. You can also set up a domain if you already have it. So right now we're gonna go through our settings, look for some settings that we may change for later. Go all the way to domains. As for now, you should be able to see that these domains are connected, both of them. As for now, check any deleted products or pages, since this type of errors often happen after deleting content. So we're gonna go all the way back to our store, go all the way to products, make sure every product is already available, and set a link redirect basically by going through navigation and links. Fix any broken menu links by editing navigation menus and removing any invalid links. You can also go and check the temp files. You can also ask this AI if you have any question about designing your store or whatsoever. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.